In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track order on Walmart 2026. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what details to enter, and how to read the updates on your shipment or pickup. Start by opening your web browser and going to walmart.com. Once the homepage loads, look toward the top right corner of the screen. That's where you'll find the account area. Click there to open your account options. If you're already signed in, great. If not, sign in so you can see your recent activity tied to your profile. From the account menu, choose Purchase History. This is the hub for all your past orders. When it opens, you'll see a list of your recent purchases with quick statuses like processing, shipped, delivered, or ready for pickup. Clicking an individual order usually shows more details, including items in that order and any shipment splits. On the left-hand side of this page, look for the option labeled Track Your Order and click it. This takes you to Walmart's order lookup form, which is especially helpful if you checked out as a guest or just want a quick status without digging through multiple orders. On the order lookup form, enter the email address you used at checkout. Make sure it's the exact same one that received your confirmation. Next, type your order number. You'll find this in your confirmation email and in any subsequent shipment updates. If you copy and paste the number, double check for extra spaces at the beginning or end, since those can prevent a match. Once both fields are filled in, click View Order Status. You'll land on a page that shows the most current information available for your order. You can expect a status timeline, an estimated delivery or pickup window, and, for shipped items, a carrier tracking link once it's available. If your order was split into multiple packages, you'll typically see separate tracking details for each shipment. For store pickup orders, you may see readiness updates and instructions for pickup once the store has your items prepared. A few quick tips while you're here. If the order doesn't appear, verify you're using the same email that received the confirmation, and confirm that every character in the order number is correct. If you place the order while signed in, checking purchase history is often the fastest path because all your orders are consolidated in one place. Keep your confirmation email handy for easy reference and never share your full order number publicly. That's all there is to it. Head to walmart.com, go to Account, open Purchase History, click Track Your Order, enter your email and order number, and then view your status.